How to log out Spotify account from all other devices. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. Now the first thing, you need to open your Spotify app. Then ensure that you have logged in into your Spotify account. Then you are going to tap on your profile icon on the top left corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. Then it will land you here. So you are going to see account, the first option at the top there. Tap on it. Then tap on account overview. Then you can open with any browser that you have. So here I'm going to choose Google Chrome. Then it will go to browser. So once you are here, you are going to scroll down. Then under security and privacy, the last option there, sign out everywhere, tap on it. Then tap on that button at the bottom there, sign out everywhere. And that's simply it, guys. That's how to log out Spotify account from all other devices. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.